Today we're going to be talking about sine and cosine law. So we're just going to be talking about these two laws, what they are, and then I'm going to give an example after each. So sine law and cosine law are used to find sides and angles. Uh, for a sine law, it can be used on any triangle. We're going to use sides as the lowercase letters and angles as uppercase letters, with each side letter being opposite to the angle letter. So like A is with A. So the sine law equation is just A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. And we use it if we know one angle, let's say A, and we also know its corresponding side, which is a lowercase a. And then we either know another angle, let's say B, or another side, which is B, and then we can use this law to find, let's say, if we know the side A, angle A, and we also know side B, then we can find angle B with this. So how do we do this? We're going to find angle A and side B. And using this equation, we can use B over sine B equals C over sine C. And if we just plug these numbers in, we can just get this equation. And then after moving sine 30 to the other side, just putting this into a calculator, we can see that B equals 2.34. And then if we try to find angle A, we do the same thing, just plugging in the numbers. However, you see here, we get to 2 times sine 40 divided by 3 equals sine A. And then we have to do something special here. We can't just like divide sine. What we do here is called something called arc sine. We also have arc cosine. And basically what this is just on your calculator, it looks like a power to the -1, but it's not. It's just basically how we get rid of sine on this side. And then we just put this into a calculator and then we get A. So cosine law. This can be used on any triangle as well, but the equation is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cos c. This equation can be changed by replacing c and then this uppercase C, but they must be the same. Let's say if I want to make this A, then this must be an uppercase A. So then we use this if we know two sides and then the angle in between them. It gives the corresponding side to the angle in between. And then we also use it if we know all three sides, and it gives the corresponding angle to the first side in the equation. Let's say if it's if you're trying to find angle C, then side C has to be the first side, like here. So let's say we want to find angle A, which means that we have to know all three sides. So I give all three sides 2, 4, and 5. Basically what we do is that we sub in all of the sides, and because we're trying to find angle A is the side in front. So after we sub in everything, we just move stuff to the other side, and we just simplify it. We simplify to 0.925 equals cos A, and then this is the same as before. We can't just divide by cos. We have to do something called an arc cosine, which we just get A. And if you just put this into your calculator, you find that A is about 22.3 degrees. And that's just cosine and sine law. It's pretty easy. You just have to memorize it. But yeah, that's basically it.